I saw this face in a dream last night. This morning, I recreated it from memory. I do not know if this person exists in real life, but this is exactly how I remember them. And I made it with FlashFace Full. You do not need drawing skills or complicated design software. You just choose a feature, drag it into place, and adjust it until it feels right. Let me show you. I usually start with the hair because hair immediately gives a character personality. Once I choose it, it appears in the face preview area. I can drag it into position, move it up or down, and adjust its width and height until it matches the image I have in mind. Then I build the rest of the face one feature at a time. There are hairstyles, eyebrows, eyes, noses, mouths, jaws, beards, mustaches, and glasses. There are many different options in each category. The important thing is not making one feature look perfect by itself. It is making every feature work together. A different pair of eyes can make the character look calm, tired, serious, or suspicious. A different eyebrow shape can completely change the expression. A beard can change the jawline. And glasses can make the face feel much more specific. Whenever something does not feel right, I can try another option, move it, or adjust its proportions. That makes it easy to keep experimenting until the face starts to feel familiar. And that is the finished face. In about a minute, I turned an image from my memory into something I can actually see. Maybe it was someone from a dream. Maybe it was a character. Maybe it was a face I had seen before and forgotten. If you want to create a face from your own memory or imagination, try it yourself at flashfacefull.app.